Okay, so hi Webbies, welcome back to my channel right here again. And again, it's nighttime and I have bare face on again. So yeah, we're gonna try, as you know from the title right here, we're gonna try a soap that has been going on for a while and it says to be really good, and it is endorsed by Mariz Guico. As you know, Mariz Guico is a celebrity here and a host in the Philippines. And oh yeah, where did I go? I'm just searching for some information about it, and this is the SNAIL White Whip soap. So yeah, that has been going on for a while since Mariz Guico tried it, and SHOPEE came in today when I ordered it, and yeah, I can't wait to use this. And I don't know, there has been a lot of reviews online, but you know, skincare and soap, again, to each his own. Sometimes it doesn't really work for a certain someone, but I have read a lot of great reviews, and I don't know if Chris's review on this, because she seems to really love it, but we all know that Chris has a really great skin ever since she was, you know, young. Yeah, so opening this up, it looks like this. Bar soap with delicate net form, a soft and sensual whip foam, smooth whip that gives you glowing and nourished skin. So yeah, there is an instruction at the back, and it says that if you peel this up, great job peeling, but if teach me how to peel things, because I just can't seem to do them. But yeah, didn't really do a great job peeling that up. I'm gonna be here for like forever. But yeah, I seem to have peeled it all off. And it's a bar soap with delicate nets for softening whip foam, enduring sensuality of skin deep cleansing together with nourishment extracted from Berber Lift, giving a brighter skin. So what is hyaluronic? Is it hyaluronic acid? It says here that it's for the sensuality of skin deep cleansing. Oh my god, it's 10 p.m. guys. It's that time of the night. I don't know if it's good for sensitive skin. You'll know, and you'll have an update once, because this is a first impressions. But if I, you know, run out of this, obviously I'll make something. I'm gonna make an updated review about this, and we'll see if, you know, it does something. But we're gonna try this on our face today, just on our face, because it's night time. So we're gonna try this onto our face. There is a warning: for external use only, not to be swallowed. Who would swallow a soap? Avoid contact with eyes, and discontinue use if signs of irritation or rash appear. I will do that. I have pretty sensitive skin, so I am just seeing here. Well, this brand is famous in Thailand as well. They say it's very affordable in Thailand. Apparently, here in the Philippines, it's kind of expensive, because this is 350 pesos per soap. So that's expensive, but this is 100 grams. So give or take, it's kind of expensive, but not high up there expensive. So the brand is dedicated to developing innovative products with breakthrough ingredients to target different skin concerns, and it has a 4 stars out of 5. And there's a lot of review that they said that they super love it, because the scent is relaxing, and they just do this for 2 weeks and then the itchy bumps is removed throughout the body, and it's always sold out apparently. This product gives them soft and smooth skin. So yeah, it softens and tightens the face. There is a comment in here that it's good, but it's not for sensitive and combo skin. So we'll see about that. Namu, which is this, Namu Life has a lot of products as well. From CC cream to secretion filter, jelly wash, deep moisture. But yeah, you should check out the brand. This is from Thailand, and Thailand is, you know, known to have that great of skincare products. But yeah, I guess we'll crack onto here and see what our thoughts are. But I'm just gonna crack it open. There's kind of a ziplock in there. My god. Oh my god. I would like to correct them with the smell. I like it. Wow. Smells so good. Oh my god. Yeah, and it's kind of, the soap itself, not the hardest soap, whitening soap ever, but it's softer than Ginger White. If some of you are using Ginger White, I know I am. This soap is much softer than the bar of Ginger White, which that is pretty damn hard, and I can't get enough of the smell of this. And this, you're not supposed to take it off. This kind of net right here, because this will give you that foamy texture that you want. And it has kind of an oil secretion as well. So we'll see about that. We're gonna put this to the test on our face. So we'll get this all off because I don't wanna wet my phone, but we're gonna do this into our skin. So I have kind of a MAC in here and a little bit of water, because we're gonna need to wet this. And water in here, because I don't want to go down up and down the stairs, but we're gonna wet this because it says wet. So we're gonna wet and it starts to foam up. So I guess I'm gonna do, whoa, that's weird. Yeah. Oh, can you see that it's kind of foaming up in there? Okay, so I don't know if this is meant to be directly into your face, but we'll see. So let's scrub this onto our face. I can't get enough of the smell, guys. It smells so good. So I'm looking at my viewfinder, cause but oh my god, you know what, this smells familiar to me. Like something smells familiar about the soap, and if I keep talking I might eat it. Like I might eat the foam, but this is lathering up pretty nice. So I got some into my hair. What the? But yeah, it kind of has this really stringy thing. I guess it's because of the snail. Oh yeah, this feels like. Oh my god, it's so sticky. Like I don't know, it's so sticky. Oh. See, it kind of has that kind of stringy thing. It's because of the snail. I'm pretty sure it's because of the snail. I mean, yeah, it's because of the snail. Oh my god, I might need to rinse it off because it's drying like crazy. So, I'm having this itchy sensation in the back, in in this part of my nose, and it kind of indicates sometimes that a chemical in here is harsh for my skin. So I'm kind of scared. So yeah, I think I'm gonna wash it off because it's really starting to itch, and yeah, I can take the itch. So let me go downstairs, wash it off, and then I'll be right up. So good. I don't know how people can what they call this, can let this soap soak on their face for 15 minutes, because it itched my skin right up, which is kind of scary because you know how I am with my soaps and everything like that. But yeah, it kind of itches so much, and I don't know. So let's zoom in and we'll see our face, okay? On the lamb, I didn't see much of a difference before and after. We kind of we kind of used the SNAIL WHIPP. I'm looking at my viewfinder, and it's also hard to rinse off. I don't know if you can retain this into your face for 15 minutes, and then it's gonna be much harder to rinse it off after that, for sure. But the tightening effect, I don't feel. What is that? I felt it when I was rinsing it off, but it went away for like 5 minutes after I rinsed it off. So yeah, my skin feels okay. Not really changed there. The only thing that freaked me out is this kind of side right here. Look at how red that was compared to this side. You know, my nose here always kind of feels all the burn, and I guess this kind of burned the hell out of my skin. Is it just me? Oh no. We have that right here. I don't know. I'm gonna have to. I don't know as well if I kind of want to use it more, because it's kind of scary how this did. You can see how seen my face closed up. It kind of has a brightening effect though. Like, I can't put a finger on it. I think my skin is brighter than when I first, when I haven't used this yet. So I think it's kind of brighter. Little, not much. But I think, yeah, my skin is a tinge brighter. This is all based on my viewfinder. I'll kind of update you if this works out for me or not, because I have really sensitive skin. And some review on here says that it doesn't really go well with their sensitive skin. Part of my nose right here and right here is itchy. Like itchy and kind of, it hurts a bit. And it started when I was kind of lathering the soap some more, and yeah, it kind of scared me a little bit, because you know, this part of my nose right here immediately knows if my skin does not want that and if it has harsh ingredients on it. I'm not gonna say that this is a pass. I'm not gonna pass it off, because I mean, I bought it and it says it's kind of good. I think it brightened my skin up. The tightening is kind of there, not really feeling it, but yeah, I guess with continued use, and I'm gonna use this all over my body, and let's see if it's gonna whiten my skin or not. And yeah, I guess that's my first impressions about this soap right here. So to comment the smell because it really smells so good. I mean, it lingers on my hands and I love it. I love the smell so much, but it's kind of a so-so at the moment. I don't know why. It's kind of so-so. But yeah, I guess I'm ready to hit the hay now. But yeah, my face feels cleaner, like really clean and exfoliated. Who was that? Exfoliated. So I guess that's a plus. So yeah, what am I gonna say? Yeah, leave a like on this video if you love the video. I really appreciate it. Share the love, and of course, if you want some more of these reviews, you can subscribe here to my channel. There's lots of it. I kind of review everything under the sun. And yeah, if you are subscribed already, thank you so much for loving and supporting these videos. I really appreciate it so much. And I hope you stick around for long and be all over the place with us, because we're that kind of a squad. We're the beauty all over squad. I don't know if that exists, but yeah, we'll make it exist. So yeah, that is it for me this night. Again, it's night time. I'm kind of all around, and I think I'm gonna hit the hay because it's gonna be a long day. I've edited and filmed, and I want to edit some more, but then my sister came and she's gonna use the laptop, so I really can't do anything with that. I'm again babbling for nothing, but yeah, thank you so much for watching, Webbies, and I see you on the next one. So stay lovely, guys. Bye bye. I'm still here.